Epsom salt, or magnesium sulfate, is a well-known compound that has been used across the world for hundreds of years to soothe aching joints, relieve skin conditions, and provide peace and restfulness. Epsom salt's high magnesium content makes it an excellent choice for those wishing to supplement the body's natural production of this mineral. Epsom salt is dissolved in hot water. It is most commonly used in baths or foot soaks. Relieve stress. Epsom salt relieves stress by relaxing tight muscles and easing inflammation. This stress relaxation then spreads throughout your body and brings you to a better state of mind, allowing for clearer cognitive ability. Fungal infections. Rather than directly treating the infection, Epsom salts are known to draw out the infection and help make the skin less susceptible to further issues while softening the skin to make medication more effective. Exfoliate dry, cracked heels. Epsom salt can be used as an exfoliant to soften rough, cracked feet. Along with soaking your feet, massage a handful of Epsom salt into your skin for an added boost. Promotes good sleep. While we all know that taking a long soak in warm water can have an instant calming effect on both the mind and body, you may not know that an Epsom salt bath can offer other serious additional benefits like relieving tension, easing muscle aches, and alleviating pain. You see, stress actually drains the body of magnesium, which we need to reduce inflammation and support nerve and muscle function. A lack of magnesium has a negative impact on our sleeping routine, causing insufficient shut-eye, which can then cause even further stress and can contribute to health problems like anxiety, depression, and high blood pressure. Muscular cramps. Adding Epsom salts into your bath will decrease inflammation and relieve muscular soreness. Most importantly, it will minimize the effect of painful muscular cramps. The magnesium component of Epsom salts acts as a muscle relaxant. This further contributes to stress reduction by relieving muscular tension. Helps prevent the hardening of arteries and blood clots. Epsom salt is believed to improve heart health and help prevent heart disease and strokes by improving blood circulation, protecting the elasticity of arteries, preventing blood clots, and reducing the risk of sudden heart attack deaths. Constipation. Magnesium is a remedy to help relieve constipation. Most of the minerals that Epsom salt contains are absorbed by our body and will reach the bloodstream. When you are constipated, taking an Epsom salt bath can help ease stubborn bowels. These salts can be mixed with water and consumed as a drink also.